Hi, this is Daniel from dailystruggles.org. I just wanted to give you a brief overview of the new Ubuntu 9.10 Karmic Koala desktop. I run the GNOME 64-bit desktop, and I'm just going to go through a brief overview of what's new in Ubuntu. Now, if you want to learn more about Ubuntu itself, you can go to my website at dailystruggles.org, where I describe a little more in depth my Ubuntu experience, or you can go to ubuntu.com and you can download it and try it for yourself. It's free software, so please try it, and you really can't mess up. Ubuntu 9.10 has several different features. Of course, you have your same accessories, and you have a lot of the same games that are installed, but you have an editable menu that you can change, so where you have a sub menu for like logic games, role-playing games, sports, or other options. GIMP is still the GIMP is still the standard image editor. Internet has a new option which is called Ubuntu 1, and that's just a way that you can share files across the Ubuntu community. Office is still the same. Sound and video is still the same. You do have another menu. It's onboard, which is on-screen keyboard, which it looks kind of cheesy if you ask me, but it's okay. It would serve the purpose if you have a bad keyboard. The Ubuntu Software Center is a new addition, and it's basically like the add remove programs or add remove applications, but if you notice one thing, you still have the add remove applications in the system administration menu. If you're new to Ubuntu, this is basically where you would go if you wanted to add more applications, or you trying to figure out a different way to do something. You can add games by going to games. You can add art programs or things that deal with artsy stuff by going to graphics. You could add a different type of media player or a different type of MP3 player or codec by going to sound and video. You can do things with your system by going to system tools, and you can add all sorts of stuff for the internet, different browsers and different instant messenger programs by going to internet. That's just brief, but for those of us that have used the Ubuntu system, they would probably prefer the add remove applications menu. The places still looks the same, so you of course have all of that, but you have one new file, which is the Ubuntu file sharing, or Ubuntu 1, which is just file sharing. I personally love this little connect to server thing because it makes an easy way for me to connect to my webcam outside. No, I don't have it up, but that's okay. The systems menu, one of the things, or a couple of things that I've noticed. Of course, you don't have the authorizations menu anymore. Authorizations, it appears that it doesn't exist anymore, or maybe you have to edit it so where it will be viewed. Your system testing now includes for a fingerprint login, so that's a fingerprint scanner. That's superb. I'm glad that Ubuntu has finally gotten up to that. You can also set up a keypad and I believe Bluetooth devices. We'll just open it up and see, and it gives you the basic, your FireWire, peripheral test, network test, a fingerprint reader, and I believe the keypad would be under peripheral. Wait, we don't need to run that. Okay, and another thing that I've noticed, maybe I didn't use this before, but the disk utility gives you an easy way to see what your partitions are. This is just a brief overview of the Ubuntu 9.10 desktop. Please come and visit me on my website at dailystruggles.org, where you can learn more about the different features of the Ubuntu desktop and about Linux in general and general commands. Thank you, and please come and visit me and leave some comment.